If you're looking for something sweet with your coffee, look no further. Today I'm going to be making a banana bread. And you know when making it, that sweet smell fills the whole house. And everyone gets excited. So if your bananas look like this, let's turn it into this. This chocolatey version will soothe your cravings and not be so sinful. So without further ado, let's get started. Now it's time to treat yourself to your own slice of sweet goodness. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like this content, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.